Hi, my name is Jannika and I am your German teacher. Today I would like to teach you the conjugation of the verb sein in the present tense. So have fun! So let's start. Konjugation von sein im Präsens. Conjugation of sein in the present tense. The infinitive, der Infinitiv, ist sein. The infinitive form is sein. So let's start. First person. Ich bin. I am. Ich bin. Second person. Du bist. You are. Ich bin. Du bist. Ich bin. I am. Du bist. You are. Dritte Person. Third person. Er ist. He is. Sie ist. She is. Es ist. It is. I know it is a little bit difficult to pronounce. The third person is ist. So is, and with a T, ist. Again, er ist. Sie ist. Es ist. Okay, let's repeat the whole singular forms. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. And once more. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. Let's go to the plural forms. Wir sind. We are. Wir sind. We are. Ihr seid. Ihr seid. You are. So, and as you can see here in English, it's the same form as in the singular form. You are means du bist, but you are also can mean ihr seid. So in German you have to distinguish between the singular form and the plural form. It's a really big difference. If I talk to one person, I would say du bist. But if I talk to a group, I would say ihr seid. And the third person in the plural, Sie sind, with a small letter, Sie sind, they are. And we have one more, Sie sind, which is the polite form for du bist. Sie sind is the polite form for du bist. So let's read out once more again. You read with me. Ich bin, du bist, er ist, sie ist, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. So I resume once more. What are the differences? The differences from German to English, as we can see clearly here. In English, you have 3 times you are. Du bist, you are. Ihr seid, you are. Sie sind, you are. Du bist, we use when we talk to a friend. Sie sind, you are when we talk to somebody we don't know, or to a person, especially to a person which has some authority a teacher, a policeman, or somebody like that. Yeah, and ihr seid we use when we talk to a group of our friends, example giving. Okay, last time we will read out and practice together. Ich bin, du bist, ist, sie ist, es ist. Wir sind, ihr seid, sie sind, sie sind. Thank you so much for watching. Maybe you can give me a like and do not forget to subscribe the channel. I hope to see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye!